Looking for a natural way to grow your hair faster and stronger? Then, this powerful DIY hair growth recipe combines both cloves, ginger, cinnamon, and hibiscus to give you an amazing and wonderful result. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so my first ingredient is clove. Now cloves has antimicrobial properties that helps with scalp health and dandruff. It also stimulates hair growth and prevents hair breakage. My second ingredient is cinnamon. Now cinnamon helps to strengthen hair follicles, reducing hair loss, and it also adds shine and softness to the hair. I'm going to add ginger as well. So ginger helps to increase blood flow to the hair follicles, stimulating hair growth. Again, ginger helps to combat dandruff and scalp infections. So I'm going to peel my ginger, wash it, and dice it into smaller pieces before adding it to my container. Now, the bark of ginger also contains a lot of vital nutrients, so if you don't feel up to peeling the skin, it is also good. Like you can wash it thoroughly and then dice it both the skin and the flesh, and you are good to go. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to be peeling the skin of the ginger. Remember that this part is optional, all right? So guys, the last but not the least ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus is known for its conditioning and moisturizing properties, which also helps to prevent dryness. Now it also helps to promote thicker, fuller hair growth. So after adding all my ingredients in my container, I am going to be adding hot water. Okay, I'm going to be adding hot water to infuse my herbs. Infusion method, I use hot water to infuse my herbs in most cases. All right, so I know someone might ask in the comment section that which water did you use, is it cold or hot? Please, it is hot water. Okay, all right, so after adding my hot water, I'm going to mix it all together, and then I'm going to cover it and keep it aside to sit for 12 hours, which is equivalent to overnight, depending on the time that you soak your ingredients. Okay, now the next morning, this is what my herbs was looking like. I'm going to proceed to straining it, and I'm going to be using this sieve to strain, and then I'll pour it into my applicator bottle. All right, and as it is now, our recipe is ready to be used. Now if your hair is dry and you're looking for a way to moisturize, to add moisture to your hair, please, I encourage you to not skip the addition of hibiscus flower to this recipe. Okay, because it is very, very important. All right, especially for its moisturizing property. Now the weather is super hot, the weather is super drying. This recipe is going to help to not only hydrate your hair, but also to keep your scalp clean and healthy. If you're one who is experiencing itchiness in your scalp, use this and you're going to notice that it is going to suit your scalp and strengthen your hair strands. Now I'm going to be demonstrating to show you all how to use it. So to use it in this video, I am using it as a leave-in conditioner. All right, which means, I'm sorry guys if my voice is sounding somehow, I have cold, please pardon me, and I hope that you're hearing me very well. So I apply it on my hair and I do not wash it out. That is the first method to use it as a leave-in conditioner, which means you leave it on your hair and you follow up with your moisturizing routine. So I apply it from the roots all the way to the ends of my hair, massage and work it in, making sure that all my hair strands are coated with this mixture. And then what I'm going to do next is to follow up with my moisturizing routine, which is to seal in this moisture that I've actually applied to my hair. All right, and to seal it in, I'm going to be using my hair pomade. You can, for additional moisture, you can choose to apply a leave-in conditioner after spraying this hair tea on your hair. You can go in with your leave-in conditioner at this point before going in with your sealant, which could be your oil, your butter, or your pomade. But in this video, I only use my butter to seal, and then I'm going to finger detangle and proceed to comb in and putting my hair away by way of twisting it. Now you can use it also as a final tea rinse. Once your hair is clean, you pour it on your scalp, massage it properly, cover it and let it sit for a while. You can either rinse it off or proceed with your moisturizing routine. You can also use it as a pre-poo treatment, where you use it to detangle your hair, cover your hair and let it sit for a while before you go ahead and wash your hair. My best way of using this treatment is as a leave-in treatment and also as a tea rinse. This is because leaving it on your hair is going to help it to like really work and give you a good result. Also, pouring it on your hair after your scalp is like super clean is also going to benefit your hair very well. Please, I don't know the trend that is going on about dirt growing your hair. I personally do not believe that a dirty scalp grows faster, but if that is your belief, who am I to change that? And that is why I always encourage that you apply your products on a clean scalp. Okay, apply on a clean scalp. You are more likely to see best results applying your products on a clean scalp. Now you can store the remaining one in your fridge for up to 7 days, and once 7 days is up, please discard it and make a fresh one. All right, with that, my beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. Let me know if you're going to be trying this treatment, and if you've already tried it before, could you also let us know your results? What do you think about this particular treatment? And my beautiful people, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, all right, and subscribe to this channel if you like DIY such as this one. I'm going to be seeing you guys in another video. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.